And I'll meet you back once the system's booted into recovery. Okay, so that took me a second to reboot actually. Unfortunately, my external recorder, you had to fiddle around with it a little bit to get it to work. But obviously I have it all working now, so let me show you how to do this. Once you get the system booted up into recovery mode, the first thing you want to do is click on troubleshoot right here. So once you click that, you want to go into advanced options. And then from advanced options, you want to select command prompt. And once you click this, it should open up your command prompt window. Now, if you have a Windows password, it's going to require a password before you do that. But that's okay. Go ahead and enter the password that you normally use. And then from this point, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to type one thing. You simply want to type regedit. And that's going to open up your registry editor. Now, be careful, though, because this registry editor is going to edit the registry for recovery, not for Windows. So you can't actually go in here and make changes to the Windows installation with this registry editor without doing one thing. And what that is to actually load the Hive into this registry editor. And it's really easy to do. What you're going to want to do is go ahead and click down on local machine right here. And then from there, you want to go up to File, and you want to hit Load Hive. And then from there, you want to scroll to the Hive that you're looking for. And that's going to be located in your C drive. First off, right now we're on the boot drive. That's not what we want. We want to go into our C drive. Then from there, we want to go into Windows. And then scroll down until you find System 32. And it's all alphabetical. So go ahead and find System 32, click on that. And then you want to scroll down again until you find Config, which I think I already passed. So let's go, yep, right there. Okay, so we click on config, and then from here we want to scroll down until we find system. Now this is the Hive that we want to load. There's a lot of different Hives in the Windows registry, but we don't have to worry about those right now. Right now we want system. So go ahead and click on system and click open. And it's going to ask you to name this Hive once you load it up. So it's easy to do. What I'm going to name this is just simply offline system. And then from there, it should load offline system right here into the registry editor. And from this point, now everything that we do under this key right here, we can save into the Windows registry once we're done. So let me show you how to do that. What we're going to do is we're going to open this up right here, offline system, and then we want to go into control set 001. Yours might simply say control set, but if you don't have control set, then go into control set 001. And then from that point, go into control. And then from there, we want to go into CI, and then we want to go into policy. And then from policy, you can see that we have these 3 different D-word values right here. Now, you might actually not have one of these. This verified and reputable policy state wasn't on the system that I originally did this on, but the first 2 were. But the only one we're interested in is right here, the SKU policy required. And it's set to 1 currently right now. So what we want to do is open this up and change it from 1 to 0. And at that point, go ahead and hit OK. And then once you've done that, go ahead and scroll back up, click on Offline System again, and then go into File, and then you want to click Unload Hive. And then what this is going to do is unload that Hive from this registry editor. And once you do that, you can go ahead and just close the registry editor, and then follow through and close the command prompt also. And then at that point, we want to click Turn Off the PC. Okay, from here,